It's R versus Python.
In this video, we will compare how to create type 1 ANOVA tables in R and in Python. We will be using fake cancer data with survival days as the response variable and gender and cancer type as factors. We will also include the interaction of gender and type. So sit back and relax while we compare how to create ANOVA tables in R and Python. We will do this split screen with Python right here on this side and R over here on the right side. So let's start with importing things in R. We really don't need to import anything, but we'll go ahead and import the car package just to show you how that works. But over here in Python, we are going to import a few things. We'll go ahead and import pandas as PD. And then we'll do statmodelsformula.api as SMF, and let's import statmodels.api as SM. Now going back over here to R, let's go ahead and load the data. So we have this fake cancer data in a txt file, so we'll do cancer2.txt as a read.table, and we'll put header equals true, so it takes that first row as the header, as you can see here with that output. Let's go ahead and delete that. Now in Python, we will use pandas to read in the txt file. We'll use the read_CSV to do this. In order to get it to separate by space, we will use a regular expression, so /s+. And pandas will automatically make the first row a header. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. And then let's get rid of that. Okay, going back to R. Let's turn gender into a factor. In R, we do this by reassigning the column to itself, but as a factor. In Python, it will work the same way, but instead of a factor, we will change it to a categorical by converting it to a string. So we'll use the .asType string. Now really quick for R, to make these labels more nice and a little bit easier to read and compare, I'm going to quickly define variables for each column. And gender. Now we are ready to create the ANOVA table in R. To do that, we type LM for linear model and then the numerical data with a tilde followed by the categorical features added together. We can also include an interaction by multiplying two features together. Now to see what that ANOVA table looks like, we'll just type the word ANOVA with the linear model inside, and there it is. For Python, we will use the OLS from our stats modules formula. We enter the data the same way as we did in R. The only difference is we put everything in quotes, data equals data in this case, and lastly we'll put a .fit at the end. Now to get the ANOVA table, we will use the stats modules package to do ANOVA_LM, and we'll enter in our linear model. And there's the ANOVA table in Python. So there you have it. That is how you can create an ANOVA table in R and Python. I personally like Python more for a lot of reasons. So it's fun to see a comparison of how you do the same stats processes. Please check out some of my other videos about Python, and don't forget to hit subscribe.